Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do conversion of Boolean functions to the logic circuits. In our previous video we have discussed about conversion of Boolean functions to truth table. So today we are going to make logic circuits. How we are going to make logic circuits? Logic circuits actually are made with the help of logic gates and their symbols. So first of all, if there is an expression f is equal to x, y, z naught, here you can see x and y and z naught are multiplying with each other. It means there is an AND gate because multiplication of inputs is known as AND gate. F is equal to x, y, z naught is your Boolean function. Now for logic circuits, what we are going to do, first of all we will take in a sequence inputs. First x is an input, then y is an input. After that we will take z as an input. You can see that on z there is a sign of not, so it means we have to draw a symbol of not and we will represent it like this is z naught. Now after representation we have to connect these three inputs with which gate? AND gate. So we will draw D shape for AND gate. Now here x, y and z naught are connected with AND gate. And now what will be the output? The output will be f is equal to x, y, z naught. So this is actually the logic circuit. This is known as the logic circuit. To draw logic circuits we have to memorize the symbols of gates. Coming towards the next example, you can draw the logic circuit of f is equal to x, y, z naught. Here what you will do, you will take x, y and z as an input, then you will draw naught of these three inputs and then you will connect it with AND gate. You will get the output f is equal to x naught, y naught, z naught. Next example is that draw a logic circuit of f is equal to x, y naught, z plus xy. So here what you are going to do, first of all you will draw input of x, then input of, as you know that there is a naught of x, so we will draw naught symbol for x and we will represent it with x naught. Then we will draw y. Here we have to take naught of y also, so we will draw symbol of naught for y and we will represent it with y naught. Then you can see that there is no naught sign on z, so we will simply take z as an input. Here you can see that x naught, y naught, z is multiplying with each other. These three inputs are multiplying, so there will be AND gate. We will connect it with AND gate. And what is the symbol of AND gate? D shape. So our first expression is done. Now coming towards the second expression. What is the second expression? That is plus xy. Plus means we have to apply OR. But before applying OR gate on these two expressions, first of all we will draw AND of xy. So first of all we will take x as an input, then we will take y as an input. After taking these two inputs, we will draw AND gate because we have to take AND of xy, and then we will connect these two, like from the first expression we will get x naught, y naught, z, and from the second expression we will get xy. So now we will connect these two with OR gate because in between these expression there is a symbol of addition, and addition means to take OR of inputs. So what will be the output? Output will be f is equal to x naught, y naught, z plus xy.